words together. Heavenly doubt means the path or the road by which our true self will have to take in order to return back to heaven. What is our true self? Our true self has been referred to by many different names: soul, conscience, true nature, leading nature, Holy Spirit, God, absolute, or energy. But originally, our true self has no name and no form. Therefore, if you are not attached to the various names and forms, you will realize that they refer to the same thing, our true self. We must understand that this body is our false self, it is only a shell. Our true self is inside this body. Our true self carries this body around and controls every action of the body. When we receive the heavenly Tao, it means you have been enlightened to your true self and shown the correct way to return back to heaven. Heaven is our original home, and it is the place where we originally come from and where we must return. Three important factors for affiliation with the heavenly Tao. It is extremely difficult to receive the heavenly Tao. Buddha said that it is difficult to be born a human being. It is even more difficult to be born in a favorable circumstance. Harder than these difficulties is to be able to meet an enlightened master.